Good morning, this is George from Montreal, and good afternoon, my friend all over the world. Today I'm going to show you the next movement for the cock. The cock fight to the left side. Yesterday I showed you the cock fight from the right side. And today's movement is almost the same as yesterday's movement. The only difference is I will fight to the left side. Okay. Now I will repeat several times. Please observe my movement carefully. Push the clouds to the left and push the clouds to the right side. And then the cock will fight to the right side. And now I will turn to right side. I will draw an arc, a circle, with my right hand to left and to right. I will turn 180 degrees to right. And then at the same time I will lift my right knee up, and then I will jump. At the same time I will put down my right hand, I jump, and I will draw an arc with my left hand to back side, upward, forward, and then I will step forward with my left foot, and the left hand will push down like this. So this movement will be easily practiced when we do it without interruption. I repeat, observe me carefully. Right side, left side, right side, left side. So we can practice without interruption. We can always practice repeat. So it's a good way to practice this very powerful movement. Why it is powerful? So you see, if somebody will attack me, if this guy will attack me from my back when I walk, I will just simply hold his waist here, twist here, and I will turn his arm, I will jump, I will attack his shoulder or head like this. And the arm of that guy will break, will be broken. This is 100% guarantee. It's very dangerous and a very violent movement. So I show you again. This guy will attack me. Again. Okay. I repeat several times. Several times. Okay, so it's raining now. I like the raining. The grass on the ground needs raining. So my channel needs to grow as well. Please subscribe to my channel for watch and study all the movements that I want to share you. Okay, I will practice all the movements for the cock, and then I will prepare for next program. Thank you so much, and see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.